7 years ago, we started fostering with a commercial fostering agency, but it took a long time to find a young person who was a match for us.
2 years ago, we started fostering with our local authority here in Blaenau Gwent. Within weeks, we were introduced to a young person from the local area who our social worker thought would be a good fit. Before long, they were settled in with us. That's proper coffee, that is.
Transferring to Foster Wales has been a really positive move for us. We definitely went in with an idea of what fostering with a local authority would be like, but our experience has been great.
Beautiful, beautiful it is. The support is fantastic and there's a real sense of community with the other foster carers. Your social worker is always at the other end of the phone to support you.
At the moment, we're caring for 3 children and they love it here. They go to their local school, see their friends and their birth families. That connection is so important.
And you're waiting to show you?
Although the children may not stay long term,
Was in Littleton's bag.
there'll always be a place that feels like home for them. And that is what fostering is all about.